Hey gamers! Today, we're diving into the top 10 best gaming keyboards on Amazon, built for speed, precision, and epic gameplay. From RGB lighting to mechanical switches and wireless power, these keyboards are perfect for every setup. Stick around till the end and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so you never miss the hottest gaming gear every week. At number 1 we have Redragon Updated Gaming Keyboard. You can use the software to edit the lighting effect, brightness, speed, and the macro function record, the mouse P, and customize the mouse buttons. The function of this PC keyboard and mouse is up to you. The gaming keyboard has 6 RGB backlit effects, and the mouse has 10 RGB lighting modes that let you immerse in the gaming world. Updated new version included RGB backlit gaming keyboard and RGB 7200 adjustable DPI gaming mouse. All-in-one programmable PC gamer value kit, ideal for gamers and typewriters. The wired keyboard is equipped with 5 macro record keys which you can record the combination keys function just by pressing. In addition, the 4 independent plus 12 combination multimedia keys and 26 non-conflict also will increase your win rating. The soft-touching membrane keyboard with ergonomic wrist rest will provide you with a maximum comfort gaming experience. The Redragon gaming mouse and keyboard combo will be your perfect teammate. At number 2 we have Lenovo RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The minimalist gaming keyboard that maximizes results. In a world of gaming accessories that try too hard, welcome simplicity back on your desk with the Lenovo Legion K500 gaming keyboard. A refreshing blend of minimalism and function in the spirit of the Legion gaming family, stylish yet savage. Enjoy total typing comfort and essential gaming features, packaged in a slick, no-frills design that never gets old. Minimalistic premium design, declutter with a keyboard that gets the essentials right, compact and sturdy, featuring 7 media keys and a dedicated game mode key. Make it yours with 16.8 million RGB LED colors per key. Unbeatable typing and gaming experience, perfectly balanced 50 million click red mechanical keys, and 100% anti-ghosting with 104 key rollover on USB, translate every keystroke into accurate gameplay. Plus, the unique game mode prevents accidental key presses. At number 3 we have Asus ROG Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Experience exceptional craftsmanship with this keyboard's premium aluminum alloy chassis and durable metal frame, combining elegant design with outstanding wireless performance. The innovative carbon fiber positioning plate enhances typing precision, providing a crisp, satisfying sound while minimizing keystroke vibrations. Its adjustable gasket mount lets you switch effortlessly between 2 unique cushioned typing experiences using a quick flip toggle. A full-color OLED touchscreen displays real-time system information and allows for convenient customization of keyboard settings. The integrated 3-way control knob enables instant adjustments for lighting, volume, or performance preferences. Designed with both aesthetics and comfort in mind, it delivers a seamless balance between tactile feedback and smooth operation. The extended silicone wrist rest offers ergonomic support, reducing fatigue during long typing or gaming sessions. At number 4 we have Epomaker P87 Wireless Gaming Keyboard. Introducing the latest addition to the aluminum wireless keyboard family from Epomaker, the powerful P87 gaming keyboard with 87 keys and 1 metal knob, all programmable with VIA software. Packed with functions, this TKL mechanical keyboard is designed for gamers and keyboard enthusiasts seeking unbeatable sound, comfort and stability. Hefty and solid in weight for durability and stability, the P87 keyboard is crafted with CNC-cut aluminum that weighs over 1.8 kilograms. The anodized surface is nice to the touch with rounded edges for comfort and against daily wear. For users of all devices and OS systems, the Epomaker P87 is compatible in cable, wireless 2.4 GHz or Bluetooth 5.0 with Mac, Linux and mainstream gaming controllers. Relish in the hassle-free USB-C cable mode for ultra-fast low latency, or the cluster-free wireless mode in stable 2.4 GHz and versatile Bluetooth mode. Tailored to your personal needs, the QMK/VIA compatibility of P87 keyboard offers unparalleled customization and flexibility in key mapping, macro editing and keyboard setting. At number 5 we have SteelSeries Apex Pro Gaming Keyboard. The world's fastest keyboard, push the boundaries with cutting-edge OmniPoint 3.0 switches with rapid trigger, protection mode, rapid tap and full adjustability. OmniPoint 3.0, more than just fast, our newly redesigned Hall effect switch have 20x faster actuation and 11x quicker response time, with 40 levels of adjustable actuation. Game-ready presets, gain a competitive edge in your favorite game with just a few clicks using GG Quick Set's game-ready keyboard settings. Reduced latency, rapid trigger and rapid tap register key presses faster for more responsive gameplay and improved aim. Protection mode, a SteelSeries exclusive feature, protect your key presses by reducing the sensitivity of surrounding keys when the intended key is pressed, preventing accidental inputs. OLED Smart Display, your digital command center for all your settings without taking you out of the game. Esports ready, TKL form factor. Full-size functionality. At number 6 we have Epomaker P75 wireless mechanical keyboard. The Epomaker P75 features a full aluminum design with an anodized finish, ensuring durability and corrosion resistance. The sleek and simple aesthetic is maintained with no visible logos on the front or sides. The engraved Epomaker logo on the back is only visible when the keyboard is lifted, making it a must-have for fans of minimalist design. The 75% layout streamlines function keys while retaining commonly used directional and F keys, providing an easy transition for new users compared to smaller layouts. A metal knob in the top right corner allows for effortless media control. Stay connected with the Epomaker P75's tri-mode connectivity. Whether you prefer wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, or Bluetooth connections, this keyboard has you covered. Its 4000 mAh battery ensures a long-lasting wireless experience, so you can focus on your tasks without constantly worrying about recharging. Utilizing a gasket mount, the Epomaker P75 provides a better sound and feel compared to typical tray mount keyboards. At number 7 we have Razer BlackWidow Gaming Keyboard. True 4K HC wireless and Bluetooth 5.1, experience a greater level of gaming response powered by Razer Hyperspeed and Razer Hyperpolling technology, and expanded control by connecting and toggling between 3 Bluetooth devices. Hot swappable design, compatible with 3 or 5-pin switches, the keyboard's socketed PCB makes it easy swap out its preloaded switches for custom ones to achieve desired key feel. OLED display with command dial, check the PC system metrics at a glance, show custom GIFs on the display, and enjoy expanded control with up to 100 customizable modes using the Razer command dial. Optimized typing experience, with a gasket-mounted FR4 plate, tape-enhanced PCB, lubricated screw-in stabilizers, and 2 layers of sound-dampening foam. Enjoy a clean typing sound and feel with minimal rattling or wobble. 2-side underglow with per-key lighting, featuring per-key lighting and a striking 2-side underglow. Sync the keyboard with your battle station and enjoy greater immersion for hundreds of integrated games. At number 8 we have Redragon S101 MKS Gaming Keyboard. Get rid of the messy cables. Redragon Tri-Mode Wireless Gaming Keyboard and Mouse will provide more freedom of choice for your gaming operations, wired/Bluetooth/2.4G receiver, and provide long-lasting and stable connection, which is ideal for gamers. Truly RGB backlight with 8 backlight patterns. You also can adjust the lighting speed and lightness of your keyboard and mouse to fit your gaming scene and enhance the gaming atmosphere. The rechargeable keyboard stands up to 300 hours, RGB off, and you can get the keyboard status by the battery indicator. Redragon S101 MKS wireless keyboard is equipped with 10 independent multimedia keys and 12 combination multimedia keys to ensure quick management during gaming. You can customize the keyboard keys and backlighting as well as the DPI value and polling rate of the mouse, 125 to 1000 Hz, and remap the 7 mouse buttons through the software. Download the software on redragon.com. The ergonomic design of this gaming keyboard makes you feel comfortable while typing and gaming. At number 9 we have Epomaker X Aula mechanical keyboard. A 96% layout keyboard with 99 keys can help you save more space on your desk, while keeping the arrow keys and number pad you need for games and work. The F99 gaming keyboard gasket-mounted design, complemented by an extended one-piece silicone pad, delivers unmatched typing resilience and stability. This soft elastic structure ensures each keystroke is both softer and more responsive. Equipped with a unique single-key slotted PCB made of high-quality FR4 material, the F99 offers smooth typing feedback. Each key is independently slotted, enhancing the crispness and accuracy of keystrokes. The F99 features a 5-layer design, incorporating X bundershaft pads, pour-on sound-absorbing cotton, and silicone bottom padding. This configuration ensures ultra-comfortable typing with reduced sound and shock. The F99 supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB Type-C connections, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. The F99 is powered by a high-capacity 8000 mAh battery for long-lasting performance. At number 10 we have SteelSeries USB Apex 5 Gaming Keyboard. Enjoy the perfect blend of performance and comfort with hybrid blue mechanical gaming switches that deliver the satisfying tactile click of a blue switch combined with the smooth feel of a membrane, guaranteed for 20 million key presses. The built-in OLED smart display lets you personalize your setup with GIFs, game stats, or Discord messages for a truly interactive experience. Crafted with an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame, this keyboard ensures long-lasting durability and premium build quality. Dynamic per-key RGB illumination offers vibrant color customization and reactive lighting effects that bring your setup to life. The included premium magnetic wrist rest provides full palm support, reducing fatigue during long gaming or typing sessions. Designed for gamers and professionals alike, it balances aesthetics, comfort, and functionality. Experience reliable precision in every keystroke with responsive feedback and smooth actuation.